thanks for giving us a few minutes of your time. Welcome to the ClearCryptos channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a like on this video. And if you're interested in ClearCryptos and want to learn more, down in the description below, there's a link to all their socials, their Discord. Get involved in their Discord group. My name is Austin Hilton. I have a YouTube channel. I create crypto content, as well as, he's that way, there he is, Zach Humphreys over there. He creates crypto as well. And I think Zach's in the middle of a pretty massively bad allergy attack, right?
Yeah. I'm like wiping my eyes here. I don't know what it is. I'm out on the West Coast, so maybe there's something out here that's not in the Midwest, but I got the sniffles a little bit. But yeah, allergies are definitely kicking up, but we're here. We found a good spot to record. So
cool. All right. Well, so I'll try to take it easy a little bit on you, Zach. So what we want to talk about in this video is that it's a crazy week for crypto. And so kind of to set the stage here, you may not be aware that coming up this Thursday, there is a very big meeting. It's called the Jackson Hole Symposium. It is in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. And it is a meeting of the Central Bankers Committee, as well as Why We Care. The chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell himself, is going to be giving a speech. Wow, there we go. Giving a speech on Friday. And so what this is going to create a volatile week this week. I think we're seeing crypto up about 2-3% right now, kind of in anticipation of what Chairman Powell's going to say, Zach. So what are your thoughts on what he's going to say and kind of what's going to happen? Today's Tuesday, but maybe, Wednesday, Thursday, and in the next couple of days leading up to this meeting?
Yeah, I think we'll probably hear some good news and some not so good news. And Jay Powell's always very strategic on how he kind of does it, right? And I think the real big question is, what will be the takeaway? What will be kind of the predominant narrative or theme when we have chance to kind of pull back and digest what he says? I do think he'll say something to the effect of, hey, what we're doing is working, but we probably got to do it more. And more hikes are coming. I think, that's obviously down the road a little bit, about a month away. But it'll be interesting to see, because then Friday he's supposed to kind of give some thoughts from this Jackson Hole Summit too. So it's crazy. I just can't believe how much we care this year about all of these conversations, but we need to. I mean, it impacts crypto, it impacts all the markets.
I mean, inflation has been the central story the entirety of 2022. And for me, here's what it really comes down to. For me, inflation is this kind of weird esoteric thing hard for a lot of people to understand. But, I think for you and I, we've had these dialogues. What inflation really means at the end of the day is that everything in our life costs more. And if it costs more to go to the grocery store, it costs more to go put, gas in your car, your truck. If it costs more just to buy the things that you need on a day-to-day to live, then there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt around that, number one. Number two, I think you've got this narrative from everywhere we turn that it's all bad. Recession, inflation. And I think that couples with all of that. And just when you go to the gas tank and it costs you $4, $5, $6 wherever you live or more, I think you have a tendency to be like, oh, I'm not going to do anything. And that's why all the money's left crypto. That's why a lot of the money's left stocks. I mean, so what are your thoughts on that?
No, I think you said it perfectly. I think that's exactly what's going on. I mean, because people are locked into the news that's out there, and it's like, hey, inflation's really bad. Recession could be coming. And people hear that and think, well, I don't want to go spend money and invest on something that's risky like crypto, right? But you have your really avid crypto people, though, on the opposite side of the fence that say, wow, look at all these opportunities that are being presented. I'd like to say, Austin, I'm probably somewhere in the middle of all of that, meaning, yes, I'm trying to keep more cash on hand. I'm trying to spend a little less, but I'm also trying to buy some of my favorite cryptocurrencies that are super, super low, like your Bitcoins, your Ethereums. And I'm really looking into the top 100 right now, right? Because you're getting a huge discount on so many great projects, tons of great projects. I mean, you could go to Algorand, to Cardano, to VeChain, to Gala, to SHIB, the list goes on, right? So I'm trying to play kind of somewhere in the middle there of, let's have more cash on hand this year rather than last year where everything was just moving up pretty much all year versus, I still want to buy some, though, because these are great opportunities.
Well, this is when you make the money, right? You buy low and you buy when, frankly, nobody else is buying. So we'll end on that note. I think that was a really good point to kind of take us home. I think stay tuned for here on the Clear channel. We will have more news, breaking news, depending upon what happens out of this meeting on Friday. In fact, there probably will be somebody that goes live. There's a bunch of creators that support this channel. And if we have breaking news coming out of Chairman Powell's statement, which I know there will be some type of breaking news, stay tuned. You'll get it here on the Clear channel. And so if you want to get involved with Clear, learn more down in the link in the description, definitely check it out. Check out their Discord, and we will see you later. Take care.